In today's soft skill class, we are going to know about motivation for self growth. Motivation is a very big topic, as we know, because lot of works depend on our motivation. So today we are going to know about motivation for self growth. So in this chapter we will know what is motivation, what is the introduction about it, and what are the elements that makes up motivation. So, first begin with the introduction. Self motivation is, in its simplest form, the force that drives you to do things. Like the energy, the force which makes you to do that thing, which makes you to do any particular thing, is known as self motivation. Even when you are waking up from your bed, from your sleep, is also needs self motivation. So self motivation, the basic example of self motivation is when even the simplest task, which is like waking up from your bed, sometimes we feel very energetic to rise up from our bed, and sometimes we do not feel to wake up from our bed or from our sleep. So that is what self motivation is all about. When you are self motivated, you say yourself, no, you have to wake up, you have to wake up, you have to do a lot of work. So that making yourself making yourself, taking your own advice, uh, making your own mind is known as self motivation. That process is known as the self motivation. The ability to motivate yourself is an important skill. It is not at all an easy skill. It is a very important skill to motivate yourself. Self motivation derives people to keep doing even in the face of setbacks. Like this motivation is the only thing which helps the people to do all of their task, to take up the opportunities, like to show commitment. Like if we say any person is very punctual, that punctualness also needs self motivation. If someone is taking any kind of opportunity, that also needs self motivation. Suppose during winter, when we all want to sleep in our bed under the blanket, if at that time you might be seeing some cricketer or some sports person, they leave their bed, they go out and they run, they do some physical fitness to keep themselves fit for their job. So that waking up from bed in winter time is known as motivation, self motivation. And the example of self motivation, you can see a very good example. Like if you have seen the movie Mary Kom, over there you have seen Priyanka Chopra playing the role of Mary Kom, how she motivated herself after her pregnancy, after her post pregnancy, how she came back into the champion lead box. That was a very good example of self motivation. When you do not want to wake up, when you do not want to do something, when you feel tired, you need to self motivate yourself to achieve your goal and targets. Then comes what is motivation. Motivation is what pushes you to achieve your goal. Like the the thing which which pushes you to achieve our goal feel more fulfilling, like fulfilled, and improve our overall quality of life. So what is motivation? Motivation is what like it is an energy which pushes ourselves to fulfill our own targets, own goals. So that is known as motivation. And why we fulfill our target? We fulfill our target to improve our quality of life. So motivation is a very hard work, and self motivation is also very much needful in our daily basic life also. And now we come up, like there are four elements. If you see, there are four elements that makes up motivation, like which boost our motivation. First is like personal drive. Like there should be a drive from your own inner self to achieve something. Like suppose you want to uh, you want to achieve a good marks in your semester. So that then the word motivation comes, like your self drive, like there should be a self voice from your inside which will say you to work hard to achieve that marks, that target. So the first thing, the first element which is very important for self, like for motivation, is like personal drive, like how much you are interested to do that particular work is very important. Then is commitment. Suppose you have, like you have set yourself like, yes, I want to do it, I want to get 90% or I want to get 80% or whatever. That commitment should be there. Commitment means commitment to person or organizational goal. Suppose your teacher has given you an assignment and they have given set up to a deadline. So you should be committed that I must complete that work by that deadline. So commitment is something which makes you one step ahead. Once you commit something in your mind, it helps you that no, I have to do that work by hook or crook. So that is another element towards motivation. Third is initiative. Suppose you should take an initiative. Suppose you want to achieve good marks in your semester. So what initiative you should take? You should study, you should do research, you should take your pen and paper at the first and sit and write, right? So that initiative of taking paper should be there in your mind. So the third point is like initiative, like by yourself, you're waking up yourself. So yourself comes when you are motivated. Okay, last but not the least, that is optimism. Like you should always be hopeful that yes, I will achieve, and because I am doing hard work, I will achieve. So this optimism, like positive note, should be there in your mind to achieve those goals. Then only you can say that you are motivated. That's all was for the today's video. I hope you got the motivational skill, and I hope everybody is motivated to like and subscribe my channel also.